case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1990, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case of Wisconsin Electric Power Company v. Reilly, which revolved around the interpretation and implementation of the Clean Air Act by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The EPA had issued two final determinations relating to Wisconsin Electric Power Company, WEPCO's proposed renovations to its Port Washington power plant, claiming that the renovations would require adherence to certain pollution control provisions of the Clean Air Act. The legal dispute centered on whether the EPA had correctly calculated emissions increase using the potential to emit concept. WEPCO argued that the EPA's calculations were based on the assumption that the plant would operate continuously, despite the fact that the facility had never operated in this manner in the past. The court partially affirmed the EPA's determination, but also found flaws in its approach, particularly in the lack of proper support for the assumed continuous operation to find an emissions increase. As a result, the court sent the case back to the EPA for further proceedings in accordance with its opinion. Despite granting the EPA some deference in interpreting the technical provisions of the Act and its regulations, the court emphasized that it could not overlook violations of the agency's statutory regime. Furthermore, the court found that Congress intended to disapprove of fuel switching rather than promoting pollution control technology.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.